Here in the Earth's vast and unforgiving waters, a silent ballet of life and death is performed every single day. The players? An incredible cast of hunters, each one honed by evolution into a master of its domain. For these creatures, survival hinges on one crucial skill, the ability to hunt. It's an underwater world of cunning strategies, lightning-fast reflexes, and deadly precision. In this series, we'll journey into the depths to witness the remarkable adaptations that allow these fish to thrive. From the depths of the ocean to the murky rivers, prepare to be amazed by nature's most skilled fish hunters. Our journey begins with a creature that needs no introduction, the great white shark, an apex predator, feared and revered in equal measure. This is a creature that has ruled the oceans for millions of years. Its sleek, torpedo-shaped body is a testament to its power and speed, allowing it to reach speeds of over 35 miles per hour in short bursts. But the true terror of the great white lies in its senses. Able to detect even the faintest trace of blood from miles away, it's a hunter that misses nothing. Its sense of smell is so acute, it's said a single drop of blood in an Olympic-sized swimming pool wouldn't escape its notice. And then, there are the teeth. Hundreds of serrated triangular teeth arranged in rows, ready to tear through flesh and bone with ease. Unlike most fish, a great white's teeth are constantly replaced, ensuring a lifetime of hunting prowess. But the great white's arsenal doesn't end there. Hidden within its snout are tiny pores known as ampullae of Lorenzini. These incredible organs allow the shark to sense the electrical fields generated by the muscle contractions of its prey. This sixth sense, known as electroreception, gives the great white a distinct advantage in the murky depths, allowing it to hunt even in complete darkness. The great white doesn't simply rely on brute strength, it's a master strategist, often employing surprise attacks from below. Its dark upper body helps it blend in with the depths, making it nearly invisible to unsuspecting prey. They've been known to stalk seals near the surface, waiting for the perfect moment to launch a devastating attack. The force of their impact can launch both predator and prey clear out of the water. The great white shark, a magnificent predator, perfectly adapted to its environment, a true testament to the power of evolution. From the vastness of the ocean, we journey now to the tranquil rivers and streams of Southeast Asia and Australia. Here, amongst the tangled roots and overhanging branches, resides a hunter with a remarkable talent, the archerfish. Unlike the brute force of the great white, this fish has evolved an astonishingly precise method of hunting, one that relies not on speed or strength but on pinpoint accuracy. You see, the archerfish hunts not in the water but above it. Its prey? Insects perched precariously on leaves and branches above the surface. The archerfish possesses a unique adaptation, the ability to shoot jets of water with incredible precision. By compressing its gill covers, it forces water through a narrow groove in its palate, creating a powerful jet that can reach up to 2 meters. But the archerfish's skill goes beyond simple water propulsion. It can adjust the power and trajectory of its watery ammunition, compensating for distance, gravity, and even the refraction of light at the water's surface. Imagine, for a moment, the calculations this fish must make with each shot. The angle, the power, the refraction, all considered in a fraction of a second. And if that weren't impressive enough, the archerfish has another trick up its sleeve. This cunning hunter has been known to deliberately disturb the water's surface before taking aim. This creates ripples and distortions, masking its presence from its unsuspecting prey. Once the insect is dislodged, it falls into the water, becoming an easy meal for the waiting archerfish. The archerfish, a testament to the ingenuity of evolution. A master of disguise, a skilled marksman, and a reminder that even in the animal kingdom, brains can be just as deadly as brawn. We descend from the crashing waves of the ocean and the intricate dances of the rainforest into a new realm of hunters. These are not the vast expanses of the open sea, but the quiet, often murky domains of freshwater lakes and rivers. Here, in these tranquil waters, a different kind of predator reigns. These are the pikes, masters of camouflage and surprise. Their sleek, torpedo-shaped bodies are perfectly adapted for a life spent lurking amongst the reeds and lily pads. Their mottled green and brown skin blends seamlessly with the dappled sunlight filtering through the water, rendering them nearly invisible to the unsuspecting eye. But let no creature mistake this stillness for passivity. The pike is a study in contrasts, a creature of serene patience that can transform into a missile of pure predatory instinct in a heartbeat. Their stillness is a deceptive calm, a mask hiding the coiled spring of muscle, teeth, and lightning-fast reflexes beneath. For the pike is an ambush predator, relying on stealth and explosive speed to secure its next meal. Woe betide the frog, fish, or unsuspecting duckling that strays too close to these submerged phantoms. They will learn too late why the pike is known as the freshwater shark. The pike's hunting strategy is a testament to efficiency. They are not relentless pursuers like the open ocean's sharks. Instead, they are masters of energy conservation, choosing to lie in wait and expend the absolute minimum effort necessary to secure a meal. Hours can pass with the pike remaining motionless, its only movement the subtle flaring of gills as it draws oxygen from the water. But those golden eyes, ever vigilant, miss nothing. They track the movements of every potential prey item that enters their domain, calculating distance, trajectory, and the opportune moment to strike. And when that moment arrives, the transformation is breathtaking. The pike's powerful muscles contract, propelling its body forward with the explosive force of a torpedo. They can reach speeds of up to 10 miles per hour in a fraction of a second, a blur of motion too fast for most prey to comprehend, let alone evade. This sudden burst of speed is often accompanied by a change in coloration. The pike's normally muted patterns can flash with vibrant greens, yellows, and blacks, a startling visual display that likely adds to the confusion and disorientation of their target. Few creatures can match the pike's raw speed and agility in short bursts. But even if, by some miracle, the intended victim were to react quickly enough to evade that initial lunge, escape is far from guaranteed. For the pike's true terror lies in its maw, a gaping cavern armed with hundreds of razor-sharp teeth. These teeth, unlike those of many other fish, are angled backwards, pointing towards the pike's throat. This gruesome adaptation makes escape nearly impossible. The unfortunate prey pulled inexorably deeper into the pike's gullet with each desperate struggle. The sheer force of the pike's bite is enough to stun or kill most prey instantly. But for those unfortunate enough to retain consciousness, the ordeal is far from over. The pike does not possess the refined table manners of some predators. They are voracious eaters, often swallowing their prey whole, scales, bones, and all. It's a grim end for the pike's victims, but a testament to the brutal efficiency of this freshwater king. The murky depths of the Amazon River conceal a creature that seems to defy the laws of nature. The electric eel, a master of electricity, patrols these dark waters, its elongated body gliding effortlessly through the tangled vegetation. But this is no ordinary fish. It possesses a secret weapon, a biological battery capable of unleashing a powerful electric shock. Unlike most fish that rely on speed or strength, the electric eel has evolved a unique hunting strategy. It generates its own electricity, a phenomenon that has fascinated scientists for centuries. This living power plant can produce up to 860 volts, more than enough to stun its prey, and even pose a threat to much larger animals, including humans. The electric eel's body is a marvel of evolutionary engineering. Specialized cells called electrocytes are stacked like batteries, creating an electric organ that runs along most of its length. When threatened or hunting, these cells discharge simultaneously, releasing a powerful surge of electricity into the surrounding water. This sudden jolt can be deadly to smaller prey, instantly incapacitating them. The electric eel's hunting grounds are the murky depths of the Amazon basin where visibility is often limited. But this predator has no need for sharp eyesight. It relies on a different sense, a sixth sense, to navigate and hunt in these challenging conditions. The electric eel possesses electroreceptors, specialized organs that allow it to detect the faintest electrical fields generated by other animals. Every living creature, even in the murky depths, emits a weak electrical field. These fields, invisible to the human eye, are the language of the underwater world. And the electric eel is a master communicator. It can sense the subtle changes in the electric field around it, allowing it to pinpoint the location of hidden prey with remarkable accuracy. Imagine a world where you could sense the heartbeat of your prey, their every twitch and turn. That is the reality for the electric eel. As it moves through the water, it creates its own electric field, a sort of biological sonar. This field is disrupted by the presence of other animals, revealing their location even in the darkest corners of the riverbed. The electric eel's electric prowess is not limited to hunting. It uses its electrical abilities for a variety of purposes, making it one of the most versatile predators in the animal kingdom. This living battery has, in a sense, multiple settings, each tailored to a specific need. For navigation and communication, it emits weak electrical pulses, probing its surroundings like a submarine sonar. When hunting, the electric eel can adjust the intensity of its electric shock, depending on the size and proximity of its prey. For smaller fish and invertebrates, a quick jolt is enough to stun them, making for an easy meal. But when faced with larger prey, the electric eel unleashes the full force of its electrical arsenal, delivering a powerful shock that can incapacitate even a caiman. The electric eel's electric discharges are not only a tool for hunting but also a formidable defense mechanism. When threatened by a predator, it can unleash a series of high-voltage pulses, a shocking deterrent that sends even the most persistent attacker fleeing for safety. This ability to control and manipulate electricity makes the electric eel a true marvel of evolution, a testament to the incredible diversity and ingenuity of life on Earth. The Amazon River, a labyrinth of flooded forests and winding channels, is home to countless species, some beautiful, some bizarre, and some downright dangerous. Among the most feared inhabitants of these murky depths is the piranha, a fish with a reputation that precedes it. These small but ferocious predators are the stuff of legends, often depicted as relentless eating machines capable of stripping a carcass to the bone in minutes. Piranhas are a group of freshwater fish known for their sharp teeth and powerful jaws. While not all piranha species are the ferocious carnivores of popular imagination, the red-bellied piranha in particular has earned its fearsome reputation. These fish, often found in large schools, are opportunistic feeders, always on the lookout for an easy meal. The piranha's most striking feature is its teeth. Razor-sharp and triangular, they are perfectly designed for tearing through flesh. These teeth are not confined to a single row, but are arranged in interlocking rows, forming a formidable cutting surface. When a piranha bites down, its jaws snap shut with incredible force, driving those serrated teeth deep into its prey. Piranhas are not solitary hunters. They live and hunt in schools, often numbering in the hundreds or even thousands. This collective behavior is not merely a matter of safety in numbers. It is a highly effective hunting strategy, allowing them to overwhelm prey much larger than themselves. A single piranha might be a minor threat, but a school of these voracious predators can transform into a feeding frenzy, a symphony of snapping jaws and churning water. Imagine a school of piranhas, hundreds strong, moving through the murky water. They are a force of nature, a collective organism driven by a single-minded purpose: to feed. Their senses are on high alert, constantly scanning for any sign of vulnerability. The slightest drop of blood, the faintest tremor in the water, can trigger a feeding frenzy. When a potential meal is detected, the school springs into action. It's a chaotic yet coordinated assault, a whirlwind of snapping jaws and flashing scales. The piranhas work together, nipping and tearing at their victim, each bite removing a small chunk of flesh. The water runs red as the school descends upon its prey, stripping it to the bone in a matter of minutes. Despite their fearsome reputation, piranhas are not the mindless killing machines often portrayed in movies. They are opportunistic feeders, often scavenging for food and playing an important role in maintaining a healthy ecosystem. Their diet consists mainly of insects, crustaceans, and smaller fish. Attacks on larger animals, while not unheard of, are relatively rare and usually occur when the piranhas feel threatened or are competing for scarce resources. The piranha's fearsome reputation is partly due to exaggeration and sensationalized accounts. While their bites can be painful and potentially dangerous, they are not typically fatal to humans. In fact, there are very few documented cases of piranhas killing humans. More often than not, these fish are more afraid of us than we are of them. The piranha, with its razor-sharp teeth and pack-hunting behavior, is a reminder that even in the most seemingly tranquil corners of the natural world, danger lurks beneath the surface. But it is also a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth, where even the most feared creatures play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystems. From the ocean depths to the heart of the rainforest, we have journeyed into the world of some of nature's most extraordinary hunters. We have witnessed the stealth of the pike, the precision of the archerfish, the raw power of the great white shark, the shocking tactics of the electric eel, and the coordinated frenzy of the piranha. Thank you for joining Mindful Wanderer Nature, Travel and Meditation on this epic journey through the world of nature's deadliest fish hunters. From the electrifying power of the electric eel to the sniper-like accuracy of the Archerfish, these predators prove that the underwater world is full of surprises. Which hunter fish amazed you the most? Tell us in the comments below. If you love wildlife, like and subscribe for more incredible nature documentaries. Follow us for more YouTube Mindful Wanderer, nature, travel, and meditation. Thank you for watching. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of nature.